Hey there. So from a class that I taught last month, the Self-Care Saturday, I had a student ask about the core crunch in kind of bicycles. How do you take a shoulder to the opposite knee? So it's two actions, right? So one is this twisting where you're taking your sternum and you're moving it in one direction or the other more than your belly button, your navel, or your pubis. So you've got that rotation thing happening. And then the second one is that you're bringing the base of your sternum, your xiphoid process, closer to your pubis, and you're doing a flexion thing. So you're doing this twist, if you can see the wall behind me because I'm holding the camera, but you're also doing this bit. And so you're taking this shoulder and you're doing a twist across, but you're also pulling it down towards your opposite knee, which is kind of hard to see, but there's my knee and there's my shoulder, right? So those two actions, how do I rotate around my spine? And then how do I flex like a crunch at the same time? So you can do either one first. You can do the crunch first and then the twist. You can do the twist first and then the crunch. But you have to check in. How does your back feel about those things? And more importantly, how's your breath? Because you don't want to necessarily hold it, nor do you want to force it. So you don't have to really always use an exhale to make that action happen. So maybe you try, how could I do the twist and that little spinal flexion thing on an inhale? Or how do I just let my breath be super easy and I just do these littler actions and kind of play with both of those. Maybe you grab a tennis ball and start rolling up and down your spine. Maybe you roll between your shoulder blades. Maybe you do a little tennis ball at the lower ribs in your diaphragm while you're lying on the ball on your stomach. Or you do it at your hip flexors as well, like just above your hip bones. None of those things are going to be comfortable, by the way. And then afterward, go back to that rotation of your spine and then flexion of your spine as well. And then let me know if you have any other questions, because I'm happy to do some more videos on it. Have a good day.